Did you know Victorinox makes much more than Swiss Army knives? Their reputation extends far beyond multi-tools into their kitchen and utility knives. The Victorinox Cutlery 8-inch chef's knife is a beautiful addition to any kitchen knife block and is built to last for generations to come. It features a durable 8-inch ice-tempered high-carbon steel blade for maximum sharpness and edge retention, and a grippy Fibrox handle that's comfortable in hand and easy to keep clean. With an overall length of 15.25 inches, this knife is great for both large and precise cooking jobs. The Victorinox Cutlery 8-inch chef's knife is covered by an exceptional lifetime warranty and made in Switzerland. Tell us what kitchen knives you use. Is there a Victorinox in your knife block? Click the link in the description to add this one to your kitchen setup. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.